Hi everyone, it's Martina, and today I'll be unboxing Ateez Fever Dear Diary. Ooh. So I kind of just ordered this without really even knowing what it is. I'm pretty sure it's just kind of like a behind the scenes of all the Fever series and like photos, and it also has some DVDs as well, and I think it includes like jacket making films and stuff. But I'm still not 100% sure what it was. I was debating on whether or not to order it, and I just decided to do it, so we'll find out together. So anywho, this is what the cover looks like. It looks very nice. It gives me kind of firework vibes from whatever that was, episode, I don't even remember. And then the colors on the side kind of are from like Inception era. Yeah, I cannot name Ateez albums to save my life. And I thought it was just me at first, but then I realized, no, it's everyone. Like, I'm glad it's not just me that struggles. So anyway, I've already gone ahead and taken the plastic wrap off this. This is what it looks like. As it says, Fever Dear Diary. And it's Fever and Ateez in the glossy print and rainbow. On the side, it has this 2020 to 2021. Looks like this. We also have this portion as well. And then here you can see it has everyone's names. And in here we have the two DVDs. So there's a silver one for disc 1 and then a black one for disc 2, and it's rainbow along the edges. So it looks like disc 1 has Zero Fever 1 behind film, Zero Fever 2 behind film, and Zero Fever 3 behind film. And then this disc has Zero Fever epilogue behind film and then Special Moment. Fever Book Special Moment in Jeju. So it has a lot of different things. So it's like diary making film, jacket making, music video making, second anniversary online concert portive call making film. So yeah, lots of stuff. And here kind of shows you a little bit more if you're curious what all it comes with. Oh, God bless. And it does come with English, Korean, and Chinese subtitles. It doesn't come with Japanese. So it looks like both of them in total about 210 minutes. So over 3 hours, 3.5 hours of content. That's a lot of stuff. So yeah. So excited to watch this one day. I'm really glad it comes with English subtitles. I mean, like, I knew it was because it's Ateez and like KQ is like really good about that, but some of my other groups, they wouldn't do that. Okay, so now we have the big book, and I know it's somewhere in here. There is like a photo card and some like photos. I think they're all right back here, actually. So since this photo book is so big, I think I'm just gonna fast forward through it and play some like, I don't know, basic music in the background that's not Ateez because it's copyright. And at the end, we'll go over everything else. Okay, so that was the Photobook. And dang, yeah, I kind of forgot how long the Fever series went. Yeah, like that was August 2020, so like right at the beginning of COVID till basically, yeah, the beginning of this year, like end of 2021. Like that was a long time. So these also came with 4-cup posters. So we have the, I guess, Macne line and Hyung. Cute. This is folded, but since it's like squares, like you don't even really notice it. You just cut them into little fours. Cute. And in the back, it's just white. And then also came with a photo card. I did not look to see who I got, so let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You know, cute. It looks like on the back. Pretty. So yeah, that was me unboxing Ateez's Fever Dear Diary. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was pretty quick and short, but I just wanted to make it really quick so I can get it up to you guys fast. And yeah, if you guys ordered this, let me know whose photo card you pulled down below. And also, regardless, just let me know what your favorite era of like the Fever like series was. I don't know. I think I really like the real, but I feel like Deja Vu I really liked, because that was like once Mingi came back, and I really liked some of the photos and concepts from them. So whatever that one was that episode 3, I think? Because there's episode 1, 2, 3, and epilogue. So yeah, I think Fever episode 3 was my favorite. But yeah, anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure you thumbs up and subscribe down below for content. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't let it fall apart. 모든 것을 간직해줘요 너의 곁에. Don't let it fall apart. 단 하나라도 잊지 말아줘 nothing.
나의 모든 조각들이 다 사라지면 뭐가 남을까 하나하나 잃어갈 때마다 하나 둘씩 떠나갈 때마다 커져 초조한 빈칸